homosexuality.
Faster! Harder! This is what we want in America! We want a stronger army!
Look at this! I can't! That is exactly the problem! We do not need a weak America.
Man, I feel like money. Man, I feel like money. They attracted to me. Oh, yeah? They come around.
Stay rich for a better economy. Hi there, my name is Max Avalanche, and I will be the next president of the United States of America. America is sliding down a slippery slope, no ending at sight. But you know what, Americans? The ending is here. I am America's white knight. I am America's hope and freedom. The avalanche is coming. Get ready for it, America. I am Max Avalanche. Have an ice day.
Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the